Yo guys, what is going on? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we're going to be going to Walmart, messing around. In this video, we actually got the cops called and we got kicked out. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Yo, we're chilling in Walmart right now. We did not do that bad for our first video. In the first clip, I said we did not do that bad for our first time. I'll show you the two clips that we did. I can't show you everything because I had it vertical instead of horizontal or whatever. So yeah, I'll just show you that real quick. It's freaky. Let's go. Yo, what's good? So there was a poop on aisle like 22 or whatever. Yeah, come clean it up. Oh my god. Bro. Okay, I'll just do it again. This is what this is all about. I can say anything on there. You think I know the code? Do you? We're gonna do some more stuff and then we're gonna leave. One more time. Everyone. You do it? Yeah. Wait, come on, hide out over here while I get it out. I'm grabbing the air horn. Do it. Say, yo, I got an announcement. Just say, I got an announcement. And just honk it. Hurry. I have a really big announcement. It's gonna be my lava. What? Oh, Jacob, dip on the other door. He called the police. Come on. Yo, let's go! Bro, the cops are actually coming. We gotta dip. Yo, they're coming. Bro, I'm meeting up with Jacob. Yo, they'll call me. They're coming. Alright. Bro, we gotta. Okay, they called the cops. We actually gotta dip. No.
Let me see what happened. Okay.
What'd you do to him?
No, I'm in there. Right? I'm like, bro. I'm so sorry. My friend's kind of disrespectful, and he's like, oh, he's like, leave. No, don't come back. And I was like, okay, sorry. And then I was all like, he was like, yeah. And I was like walking out. He's like, wait. And then he's like, here's your. He gave it to me. And I was like, okay. Oh, I feel how cold it is after losing all its pressure at once.
Try it again. Yeah, let it regain. Yo, I bet you he still called the cops and he's like.
I think he said, I'm gonna call the cops.
No, he said, I called the cops.
He has a really weird accent, so I think he was like, I'm gonna call the cops. Some girl with her boyfriend in the line was all like...
Did you see them laughing at us?
Some girl and her boyfriend were in the line, and they were like, oh, you weren't bad enough. And I was like, oh, what do you mean? I was like, this is the third time we got the cops called on us this week, or this weekend. And they were like, oh. What?
Making a video.
I'm just getting in the horn. I'm not doing it.
Hello?
Stop causing problems.
What? What do you mean? What?
What?
What the heck?
What do you mean? I never...
Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that video. So Jacob, the other guy that was with me, he's actually going to be coming back out in 2 weeks. And we're probably going to go explore like an abandoned Utah food store. So stay tuned for that. That will be coming up in probably like... by the time this is up, it'll probably be like a week. So yeah, stay tuned. See you guys later. Bye.